Are you wondering how to integrate Smartsheet with Microsoft Teams? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. So first and foremost, you need to sign into your Smartsheet account. So as you can see, I've done that. I'm actually on a trial account, which I think's actually expired. Reason being, I need to protect my company's data. But just bear in mind the process is exactly the same. So these are the things that you need to do. So what you should do is log into your account, and on the left hand side, scroll down to the Solution Center, which is the plus icon here. So press that button, and then what we need to do is we need to scroll down to the add-ons section. Now from here we need to click the See More Add-ons link, and when you do so, you should see on 3 rows down towards the right hand side the Microsoft Teams add-on. So if we click this, you'll see a little bit of a description about what this enables us to do. So it basically enables us to, as you're looking to do, integrate the two. So add Smartsheet dashboards, sheets and reports to Microsoft Teams. Also bring your conversations together in one place to quickly get an understanding of project and program statuses, and to basically connect the two in terms of data flow. So once you click this button, click the Learn More button, the bottom right, I should say. And what this is going to do, it's going to bring up this page here, and it basically gives you an overview of what's possible. And to be honest with you, it also gives you the best way of setting up Smartsheet for Microsoft Teams. So I'll drop this link in the description down below so you can check this out in your own time. You could even pause the video here, and that would enable you to just look through this overview of what you need to do. But it's very, very simple. You basically need to, well, first and foremost, you need to make sure that you're an admin on your Microsoft Teams account, and you will need to sign into your Microsoft Teams. So you likely have the application on your desktop or laptop. You need to make sure you're signed in and you have this admin right. And then you basically need to manage the apps from Microsoft Teams itself. You need to search for Smartsheet, and you need to make sure that you toggle to allowed. And if you have any kind of questions about this process, then there is a Microsoft Help article. So if I open this up here, but it basically talks about how you can set up app management and have that kind of governance in place. So you need to kind of, well, you can refer back to this if you have any questions. And talking of questions, you can always reach out to Smartsheet customer support, and they will be willing to help you on this if you have any specific questions. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And do consider subscribing to my channel. I do have a lot of different videos on Smartsheet. I have a whole Smartsheet playlist, which you can check out if you're new to Smartsheet and have kind of questions on the functionality or want to learn more about the tool. So I would really recommend that you do that. So with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.